Wow. Look at the wall here. Incredible. Check out the toy section here at Bic Camera. Oh my, lots to see. Mario, PlayStation's first. PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5. We have Street Fighter. What does it look like now? You can make a reservation. So everything's 3D. That looks like Akihabara. Jedi Survivor. Let's be the new Jedi. PS5. Wow. 3D. Cool. Scared me. Make this little, okay, big robot. Like the Power Rangers. Japanese Power Rangers. Power Rangers came from Japan. $5.90 to get this plastic figure. I wish I knew the story. Not really in English. Nintendo Switch is sold here. Kids having a tantrum. Nintendo Switch, $379. Cool. Wow, Kirby's, $990. Wow, gold. Switch. This one's $400. It's a Zelda version. Nintendo Switch. Pokemon. These controls all have different colors. Joy-Con. Blue, yellow. Cool. It's good to only pay 5% for. Wow. The silver, that was cool. Silver black, sample only. Tears of the Kingdom, Legend of Zelda. Wow. Oh, she's just drumming away. That's a popular Japanese game. Pikmin's also a popular Japanese game. So $60. The Mario Kart with what's it called? The driving steering wheel. Pikmin looks like this. Look at all these Kamen Rider models. Jeez. Is this? Oh, not Power Rangers? Looks like. Oh no, still. Kamen Rider, Max Rider. You can buy his belt, $40. Wow. Kamen Rider. You can buy his 45. Jesus. King, Ogre, God, Kabuto. It's like a giant transformer. $100. You must really love your kid. Wow. Or just have the money to pay. This gun. Oh, his belt lights up. 57. It's got a sword. Wow. 30,000. Rainbow sword. You are the king. 788 millimeters. That's the most expensive one so far. Wow. Collecting wool. This part is cool. Notice these tiny ones. Oh, tiny ones are not for sale. Oh man. These are really cute looking. I guess you have a female Kamen Rider. Look at all these cool gadgets. And look at that. It's got like some kind of a dagger and some kind of drill kick. Fire. These models are such high quality and really beautifully painted. Oh, so jealous. Wish I had these toys when I was a kid. Look at that. Not for sale. I guess they're showpieces only. Wow, $880. This is a reasonable price. Oh, I like his color scheme. Real nice. $26. Not a games here. Oh, Splatoon's a really popular game. This is one reason I wanted this paintball stadium game. Splatoon, $60. We got Switch cases. Teal, blue, around $90 or less. Splatoon colors. Paintball. And the mascots are squid. Pokemon? Pokemon. 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 Cases for your Switch. Wow. Oh, look, Mario toys. Dude, the Mario race car. I don't know, home RC. Maybe not. Maybe just a doll. Look at that. It's a game. So maybe your keys you put in and then Mario pops out. Social game here in Japan for your friends. Oh, look, it's the ghost. For Mario and Princess Peach. $19. On the mushroom. Yoshi. $15. Now, give or take. I think this is the RC car. That's so tiny Mario. Tiny Mario in the box. Whoa. It's a whole set. Peach is stuck in a cage. That's so kind of messed up. Silver Mario. $7.80. $5 a piece. Silver Mario. Wow. Incredible. All the colors of Yoshi. And the evil mushrooms. Mario in a raccoon. Luigi in a raccoon. Dang, these sets remind me of the UFJ and their Mario Land, which I haven't been to yet. I don't know why. A Monster Hunter, I believe. And all the characters, they're very shiny. Wow, that guy looks really fierce. The green guy. That must be the boss. $70. 7,600 yen. Dragon. That's cute. Big evil blobs. Wow, 3D puzzles. But yeah, this is Tinkerbell. Right. Reminds me of the sets at Mirabashi Camera. Bic and Mirabashi are the two rivals pretty much. Hey look, they had minions here. I can see last time at Mirabashi. Bic Camera, it's the 7th floor in Akihabara. They got minions. 2,400 for the minion. Whoa, and here's models of edamame. You guys know that when you go eat at a Japanese bar. That's toy sticks. Wow. Models. 1,700. Oh, uni! Fake uni for 800. Fake natto. Reminds me of Nathan Smith for some reason. Hey Nathan, if you're watching, garlic. Check it out. Oh, miniature puzzles. These are really beautiful too. Oh my. They can all go in here. What if you lose a piece? It's 15 bucks. It's a puzzle. Well, between 12 and 30. The labels get too close to be clear. Probably the bigger ones are 30. This is all from Steam from Ghibli if you guys watch. I can't remember all the ones. Spirited Away. So many models. Let's check out these models. Neko Bus. Tiny Totoro cousins. Here's the Neko Bus. 20 bucks. Kids are so spoiled here in Japan. There's so many things to choose from and get. Legos. But I see one I've never seen before, which is a creator set. It's 74 bucks. Dinosaur. Whoa. Cool. 2000 yen. I used to have this. I think I got this when I was a kid. It's similar to this. It's a astronaut set. I didn't have an astronaut though. 70 bucks. What is this? Jungle on the 20. You can get this giant ninja set with tiny ninjas everywhere. Holy moly. Look how many ninjas you get. Looks like a Joker. Oh man. A snake. Why is there a G.I. Joe? Check it out. Jungle. City sets. The astronaut set. NASA. City landing. 420 pretty much. Oh, the train set. I always love showing this set. With a remote control. 3 cars. Translucent doors. This one has 3 cars. Where is it? Oh, you can get a tractor truck. I don't even see the price of the train. I'm gonna skip for now. This reminds me of Ghost Rider. 6 and up. Lego City. Nicolas Cage Ghost Rider. 6,000. But that's not Ghost Rider, obviously. Minecraft sets. Minecraft looks like a panda building. 70 bucks. Wow, they really know how to charge the prices. Alright. So we say, oh, got C3PO there. I gotta show. So that's the Ninjago. Man, this thing's huge with a nice, really cool sword. A whole ninja full of ninjas. Oh man, even a ninja bike. Oh my gosh. This one's even bigger. Also from Ninjago. And a dragon? Jesus. Who's this guy? I don't know where this guy is. But that is so cool. I'm looking. There's a white dragon. Jesus, I almost want some of these hovercrafts. Where's the price on that? Speed champion. Why is this Speed Racer? The giant model over there. I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god, the wall. Here you go. See? And Yoda. A world picture, I guess. I don't. The world map. 400. Oh, Millennium Falcon. No. It's Star Wars Destroyer. Mandalorian Fang. Wow, that one. You know what that is, but AT-AT. 200 bucks. Whoa. It's kind of like a Venom dragon. What the heck? Dinosaur. Spider-Man car. Who's this guy? Hero Ingwe. Oh, looks like Nicolas Cage. 20 bucks. There's the Millennium Falcon with Lucky up on top. Harry Potter? Yeah, Harry Potter. This is Infinity Saga, the Guardian Ship 140 US. Infinity Saga, oh, Doctor Strange in the Iron Man house. The Sanctum Sanctorum. I just said. This is crazy. This is not a Jeep. Defender. Lucky Kid. Submarine models. These are crazy. Wow. 600 yen with the tiny ones. So many plastic toys. It's such high quality. Like kind of starship Yamato style. Oh, Dreadnought. More models to go. The whole floor full of models. Look at that. These are the Zakus from Gundam. Let's check the price for 6 bucks. Wow. Hey, this is a mascot from Kumamoto Ken. What is this? I think I've seen it before from the old anime. Galaxy Cyclone. All the robots. So many anime I haven't watched. Don't even know where to watch. It's so cool. So many colorful models. So much money to spend. Like, look at this model. Crazy. She's got a sword. Runs about 60 bucks. I didn't even mention all these. Actual planes. NA model. They live in Japan. How this one's an NA turtle? You sell these. Some rocket. Is that a real rocket? This one seems to be much more 100. I don't know why. Maybe more realistic. Air Terrania. Never seen this one. Japanese cruiser. There's no real Godzilla scene. You can even see a little person right there. Godzilla is $14? No way. Shape. Kamen Rider. Great models for kids, huh? Maybe one day they'll move. What is that? Some of them on the top shelves are really big. Let's keep going. Oh my god, look at that. Kotobunki. Okay. I made a video of that store. Also here in Akihabara. 80 bucks for this model. I like this Mega Man Blast. Mega Man 70 bucks. Yeah, here the Sun 4 Akihabara Bic Camera, the toy section. Look at this samurai, it's so cool. And that was about 50 bucks for that samurai. Zoids! Also, they do show them at Kotobukiya. They don't show this. It's a guy riding the Zoid. You can even see the wires on that thing. What is this? Frame arms girl. Tiny, the size of my finger. The detail is incredible. 16 bucks. That's a pretty big table. Wow, these are really pointy. Oh god, it looks like a zombie. Dang, look at this sword. 1,000 yen. Hoi hoi san mini. Oh, it's Dark Magician Girl. Wow, many. So many was indeed. I'll go quick because this is at the right model. I'm not as excited about that. They're about 15 bucks. Minions, how cute. Whoa, with a galleon. These are about 10 to 15 bucks. Tom and Jerry toys. Oh, soccer anime. Lilo and Stitch. How about 10 to 15 bucks? Wow. I don't even know where these girls are from. Women, of course, are very popular. The model section is incredible. Kawasaki Ninja bikes. 30 bucks for a model. Dude, it's very reasonable. The detail is so incredible. This looks like a typical. Oh, it's a black Ninja bike. Some Harry Potter. It's a gray Batman. RoboCop. Alien. It. Wow. Harley Quinn. Pick your favorite character and just buy it. Very realistic model. Oh, Chicago. Is that Michael Jordan? Oh my god. They're all about 80 to 100 bucks. The Galleon. These are 90 to 130. Oh, so many. Oh, Demon Slayer. She got good. Your favorite pawn, really. Not for sale. Oh man. Look at these are pre-made. Oh, this is unique. Whole stage. A jeweled ramen cup. Oh, doll collections. These are cute. It's hard to stare at them and not want to get into them. Is she from Pokemon? 30 bucks. Cheap. Those are real prices. Battle scenes. Oh, Demon Slayer. 15 bucks. Are you serious? Let's buy one. And then here's a whole nother row. It's like the biggest museum ever. She's 40 bucks. She come pre-made. Dang. Very interesting display. Oh, I saw a box a minute ago. Wow, Mega Man. Glass, they're gorgeous. No wonder they're so expensive. That's cool. Now I see all these more models on the sides. And there's giant models up there too. X-Men, Spider-Man. Not bad. But this section is real tiny Gundam robots. Oh, it's a Star Wars. 2 million Falcons. I think these are completed kits. Somebody's hard work. Wow, Star Wars. And BB-8, cute. Dragon Ball. Goku, God Mode, robots, Gundam channel, police, Japanese police symbol, head bust of maybe anime girls and pink bots. Don't even know what anime it's from. Very interesting. Skip to these. Whoa, these look like from old anime. Price is good for like what, $8 to $15. Seems like the more details they have, the more it costs. This guy's cool. I love that stuff. Did I miss this? Yeah, look at that. Vegeta's, oh no, it's Goku. Gotenks? Like, wait, Goku and Vegeta merged. Vegeta in his, wow, 3,000 yen for this. A great deal. Great deal. I've seen this before. 14 bucks or $10? That's very good. I'm gonna go to the edge because, well, whoa, don't know you're getting, yeah, I have. I'm gonna go check out the Gundam here. These are all completed. The green line, the wings on this one. This one looks female. That one has a flying board. 440. Nah, can't be that cheap. This is the one on Akihabara right now. Gundam Unicorn. This Klein, my favorite anime female character. Wow. Very tiny, highly detailed, very well painted. Cool. We're gonna get this too. Look at this whole flying scene. Oh, look at that guy. This gun's so big it blocks. I get this one. So this is where we're at. 7th floor of Bic Camera. Exactly as flying as that. Whoa. Angel from TokyoPaul. Thanks for watching. I found one more place where these models are really cool. Look at that. Brawlies. 4,000. All the ghosts. I've never seen such detail in large model. Frieza over there. Oh my god. Are these from Back to the Future? That's the Back to the Future car. Cool models. Initial D probably. This car looks incredible. Like a rocket. Django Minions. Oh, Toyota race car. It's not even cheap. Honda Civic. Are these actually cars or just models? They've got antennae. Oh, even out. This Lamborghini. Wow. 200 bucks. This must be the perfect grade. Oh, I've never seen them completed like this. Wow. To see in front of me. This one's cheap. For this size. Oh, the perfect grades. These are big size Gundams in the 100. Oh, that one has a sword. Cool, man. These are cool. And this one has pink wings. Green version or something. You even have display case you can buy. Daiso sells these for like 500 yen. Display case. Wow, this is from the 00 series. I recognize this guy. This guy is a black Gundam. That's so cool. I'm not sure he's a Gundam actually. Whoa, maybe 20 years ago Gundams. Very simple lines. Whoa, Japanese style. Kind of has looks like samurai armor and sword. Energy shield. Staff. Whoa, so many. This one's beautiful. My favorite so far. This one has a huge shield. Very heavy. This one has a Rakuma on the shoulder. I think these are a personal one that somebody built. Oh my god, this one's got arms coming from the back. Boost rockets, samurai, bugs and Woody. Bug, Lightyear and Woody. Whoa, these are miniature Gundams. Way too cool. Riding a horse. Models going for it. Wow, look, this one's got like 10 guns or something. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 guns. Very painted Japan. I was missing a whole row there. This row needs to be cataloged. Yeah. Looks like someone played a set. Some more Gundam on a box. She's got armor, dry glue there. These are somebody's pre-made Gundam sets. And other Iron Man back there. Iron Man Gundam. Creative. Somebody used some imagination. Now the Tamashii Nations display. Let's go check it out. Oh my god. Kamen Rider. Big fish Ultraman. Wow. More Ultraman. Another crab. There's a lot of inspiration from nature. I love all the poses. They're all weird too. I love Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball. Oh, Evil Goku. Vegeta, Frieza. Oh, look, it's Naruto. Sasuke. Gaara. Whoa. The recent Naruto from Boruto maybe. Oh man, that's the first Hokage maybe? Was that Madara? Madara. That's Madara. Wow. So many models here on the 7th floor of Bic Camera. This looks like Spy Family. I used to watch that. Oh, this is a new Gundam. I could only watch the first 10 episodes and I got bored. But it's got good animation. The story's a little slow. One Piece. This is an incredible model from One Piece. Wow. These models are just like the anime. They're crazy. Oh wow. Hey, it's Chainsaw Man. The chainsaw's really thin. Black Adam. Oh, is this from the new, what's it called? Soccer anime. Wow. Cool. So if you have a favorite anime, definitely come check this out. Why are your favorite character here? Jujutsu Kaisen. Where is this? Oh, Jujutsu Kaisen. Whoa, you can get a sword here. Nice. Maybe I should get the sword. Look at that. Favorite guy, the Wado Hashida. Can't remember his name. Hidu? I forgot. Oh, the demons from the 2nd season. Oh, it's the 3rd season. I guess 4th season is starting now. So demons from the 3rd season. Oh, tiny dolls. Buy them all. Big commitment, but buy them all. Wow. Look at that. This is a beautiful model. Yeah, I'll end it here because I really like this. Beautiful. Thanks guys for watching TokyoPaul. Subscribe and check out more from TokyoPaul channel. Just a tiny bit more. Look at that. Cool, man. These are cool. And this one has pink wings. Green version or something. You even have display cases you can buy. Daiso sells these for like 500 yen. Display case. Wow, this is from the 00 series. I recognize this guy. This guy is a black. That's so cool. I'm not sure he's a Gundam actually. Whoa, maybe 20 years ago Gundams. Very simple lines. Whoa, Japanese style. It has looks like samurai armor and sword. Energy shield. Staff. Whoa, so many. This one's beautiful. My favorite so far. This one has a huge shield. Very heavy. This one has a Rakuma on the shoulder. I think these are a personal one that somebody built. Oh my god, this one's got arms coming from the back. Boost rockets, samurai, bugs and Woody. Bug, Lightyear and Woody. Whoa, these are miniature Gundams. They're way too cool. Riding a horse. Models going for it. Wow, look, this one's got like 10 guns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 guns. Very nicely painted Japan. I was missing a whole row there. This row needs to be cataloged. Yeah. Looks like someone played a set. Some more Gundam on a box. She's got armor, dry glue there. These are somebody's pre-made Gundam sets. And other Iron Man back there. Iron Man Gundam. Creative. Somebody used some imagination.